How's everyone doing? Tim, I blew all the sand out of it. I know how women like to put their feet all over everything in the car. But I did go ahead and blow all the sand out of it. You had one blown peel. I replaced it with two matched with a match set as a center section. Thank God you know when to stop and not keep on keying on the thing and just totally smoking the whole thing. So that's a good deal. Made it easier on you. Here's the dead key. Audio, hello. It's without a driver. No problems. Oops. Here we go. Here's the driver right here. Let's see what the dead key is with the driver. Oh, I think it's around 100 watts. Oh, 150. Almost 200. Okay. So that's with the driver. We are in top scale. Audio. Oh, we ain't in peak. Audio, hello, audio. So that's that. That's AM. Single sideband. CQ, 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 CQ. Hello, audio. CQ, CQ, CQDX. Alright, so that's it. This one is done. UFC has sent me some. You have sent me some Japanese soldiers to do another straight 6. Board's right there. I got kind of a start on it. I don't have one of these. Had to order it, so that's going to be about a week, something like that. But we'll see. Anyway, 73s to you. I get top back on this thing, and we'll get started on that Toshiba straight 6 build. Alright, 73s to you, Tim. Keep the women's feet off of it, and you should be good to go. Take care, man, down there in South Florida. I'm gone.